It starts with a simple metal can on a wooden table, sunlight cutting across it. But with a few precise cuts, it begins a transformation. We see smaller cans fitted inside the larger one, creating an L-shaped tunnel. The secret lies in the space between the walls, packed with simple insulation, sand, perlite, even wood ash. This isn't just assembly, it's creating a powerful combustion chamber. Once a few twigs are lit, the physics take over. The insulated vertical chimney gets intensely hot, creating a powerful draft that pulls air through the fuel with a distinct roar. This is the rocket effect. The flame shoots straight up, burning so cleanly and efficiently it consumes its own smoke. In the final scene, the stove is glowing in the forest, cooking a meal with just a handful of fallen branches. This is more than recycling. It's a masterpiece of accessible engineering, turning everyday trash into a vital tool for survival and adventure. True self-reliance, forged from a can.